If you run a cleaning service, you already know that your business isn't like a generic online store or a random blog. It's local, it's trust-based, and most of your customers find you when they need your help. Your website can't just be a pretty homepage, right? It has to answer questions like, do they serve my area? Can I trust them in my home? And how much will it cost? If your site doesn't do that clearly, people will click away and call your competitor instead. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which website builder makes the most sense for your cleaning service so that you're not, wasting time or money on the wrong platform. And stick with me here, because if you bounce now and, guess on a website builder, there's a good chance that you'll end up with a site that may look fine, but doesn't really bring in new clients. A cleaning service website has one main job: to turn busy, skeptical visitors into booked appointments. You're not just showing off your brand here, you're proving that you're reliable, affordable, and available in their specific area. That means your site needs to highlight services clearly, show real reviews or testimonials, make pricing or quotes simple, and make it ridiculously easy to contact you or book online. Now, if you pick the wrong website builder, you'll constantly fight with, clunky booking tools, confusing layouts, or designs that really don't fit your cleaning brand. Now, before I move forward, I have to say, so if you're like me and you just don't have time to, research dozens of different website builders, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of cleaning services, go ahead and click on this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is there throughout this video if you need it. With that said, let's go ahead and start with the website builder that for most cleaning businesses is going to be the easiest and most powerful overall. Wix is hands down the best overall option for most cleaning services because it strikes that sweet spot between, super easy to use and powerful enough to grow with you. Now, if you're a solo cleaner or you run a small team, you can jump into Wix with zero tech skills, choosing a cleaning service template, and have a professional looking site up in a weekend. You can drag and drop everything, your logo, your before and after photos, your list of services, all without touching a single line of code as well. Now, cleaning businesses, they tend to love Wix because it makes it simple to add the features that actually matter, like, clear service pages, online booking, contact forms, and customer reviews. You can set up sections for recurring cleaning, deep cleaning, move in, move out, and even commercial cleaning if you offer that. You can also connect your calendar so people can request or book time slots, which will save you from a lot of back and forth messages and texting. Now, for a local cleaning service that really wants to look legit and organized, that kind of built-in structure is a huge win. Now, there are a few limitations though to keep in mind. So Wix is incredibly flexible, which means that if you like to tweak every tiny detail, you might find yourself spending more time actually designing than you had planned. Also, if you ever want to move your exact site to another platform, that's not really possible. You'd have to rebuild it elsewhere. Now, in terms of pricing, you can expect to pay somewhere in the lower monthly range for a basic professional site, and a bit more if you add advanced features like, online payments or premium apps. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. Now, Wix is an amazing all-arounder, but what if you care more about having a super polished, design-forward brand for your cleaning service than anything else? Well, then the next builder here might be a better alternative. Squarespace is a great choice if you want your cleaning service website to look extremely polished and modern, almost like a high-end interior design brand. It's best for cleaning businesses that really care about aesthetics and want to stand out visually. Maybe you target higher-end homes, luxury apartments, or boutique commercial spaces, and you want your site to really reflect that premium feel. Squarespace gives you sleek templates with clean lines, great typography, and built-in image galleries that really make your before and after photos pop. Now, cleaning services like Squarespace, because it keeps things simple and consistent. You don't have to worry about, messing up the layout. The platform kind of, protects the design, so your site always looks professional. Now, you can set up service pages, an about page that builds trust, and simple contact or quote forms as well. The platform also has decent options for blogging, which is great if you want to share cleaning tips that really help your site show up in search results over time. Now, pricing is usually in the low to mid monthly range, depending on the features that you actually choose. But on the flip side, Squarespace isn't as flexible as Wix when it comes to customization and apps. If you want more advanced booking features, specific cleaning service integrations, or a lot of unique layout changes, you might feel a little bit boxed in. Now, for most cleaning services, Wix simply offers more flexibility, more integrations, and more options for building out your booking and service workflows, which is why it usually beats Squarespace in day-to-day practicality. But if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're thinking, okay, these both, they sound good, but my budget is really tight and I still want something that's pretty solid, well, the next option here might be exactly what you're looking for. Hostinger is a strong pick if you're looking for a website builder that won't break the bank, but still gives your cleaning service a professional online presence. Now, it's really best for cleaners who are, just getting started, watching every dollar, or maybe transitioning from word of mouth only to having a real website for the first time. Now, you still get templates and tools to build a clean, simple site, but your monthly cost is often lower compared to many of the competitors. Now, cleaning services, they really appreciate Hostinger because it's straightforward, right? You can set up your pages for your services, list the areas that you cover, and add contact or quote forms so people can reach out quickly. And it also gives you, decent performance and speed, which matters more than most people realize. No one wants to wait for a slow site when they're just trying to book someone to clean their actual place. Now, for strengths, think affordability, value, and enough features to get you online and looking legit without a huge learning curve. Now, the trade-offs, Hostinger isn't as feature-rich or as flexible as Wix, especially when it comes to advanced design options, booking systems, and more specialized apps or integrations. Now, if you know that you're going to scale up and you want deeper customization or more marketing tools later, you might eventually outgrow it and wish you'd really started on a more powerful platform in the first place. But in terms of pricing, this is where Hostinger just shines, right? Usually landing on the very low end of the monthly cost spectrum for a professional looking site. So if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which entitles you to a special deal that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're still not, totally sold on any of these options yet, well, don't worry, because next year I'm going to walk you through exactly what you should be looking for in a website builder, specifically for a cleaning service, so you can make a confident choice. So when you're choosing a website builder for your cleaning service, there are a few key things that you absolutely need to pay attention to. So first, you want super simple booking or contact options. Your visitors should be able to either request a quote or book a cleaning in just a couple of clicks, no digging around, no confusion. If someone lands on your site during their lunch break, they should be able to reach out before their break is over. Second, look for templates or tools that make your services crystal clear. So you should be able to easily list things like, standard cleaning, deep cleaning, move in, move out, Airbnb or rental cleanings, and commercial jobs. Ideally, the builder lets you create separate pages or sections for each service so people can quickly find what they need. Third, pay attention to how well the platform actually handles reviews and trust signals. So for a cleaning service, testimonials, Google review embeds, photos of your team, and even a satisfaction guarantee, those types of sections can make a huge difference. You want a builder that makes it easy to add those elements without a huge headache. Fourth, make sure it's mobile friendly. So most people will find you on their phone, not a laptop. So your website builder, it needs to automatically look good and work smoothly on smaller screens. And finally, think about long-term growth. So can the platform really handle things like simple SEO tools, blog posts with cleaning tips, and maybe even online payments later on? If it checks those boxes, you're on the right track. All right, so at this point, you've seen a few solid options, but realistically, for most cleaning services, Wix is still the overall best choice. It gives you the balance of ease of use, professional templates, strong booking options, and room to grow that most cleaners actually need. So if you're tired of juggling phone calls, texts, and messy social media messages just to book clients, having a clear, well-structured Wix website can act like your 24/7 receptionist, showing your services, capturing leads, and helping people book even while you're out cleaning. So if that sounds like the solution that you've been missing, go ahead and click right up here to create a completely free account and start building out your site today. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about what's really best for you, just go ahead and drop me a comment below and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.